We will explore the life, vision, and extraordinary leadership of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, one of India's greatest warriors and nation builders. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj was not just a king, he was a visionary leader who reshaped the history of India with his courage, intelligence, and deep love for his people. Born in 1630 at the Shivneri fort, Shivaji Maharaj grew up hearing stories of bravery, devotion, and freedom. These stories planted in him a dream, the dream of establishing a kingdom where justice, equality, and dharma would guide every decision. From his childhood days, Shivaji Maharaj showed signs of exceptional leadership. He had a natural ability to inspire people around him. His mother, Jijabai, played a powerful role in shaping his character. She taught him the values of courage, discipline, and devotion to the motherland. His guru, Dadaji Kondadev, guided him in administration, warfare, and strategy. With these influences, Shivaji Maharaj slowly built the foundation of what would become the mighty Maratha Empire. As a young leader, Shivaji Maharaj formed a small but loyal group of followers. These followers were not just soldiers, they were people who believed in his vision. With this team, he captured his first fort, Torna, at a very young age. This was the beginning of a long journey filled with victories, challenges, and historic moments. Shivaji Maharaj was a master of guerrilla warfare. He used speed, surprise, and careful planning to defeat much larger armies. He knew the geography of the Western Ghats and used the mountain terrain to his advantage. His strategies were so advanced that even today military experts around the world study his methods. His forts were symbols of his strength. Shivaji Maharaj built and captured more than 300 forts across the region. Forts like Raigad, Pratapagarh, and Sindhudurg stand today as grand reminders of his engineering brilliance and strategic thinking. These forts were not just military bases, they were centers of administration, trade, and people's welfare. One of the most well-known moments in his life was the encounter with Afzal Khan. Many believed that Shivaji Maharaj, being physically smaller, would be defeated. But Shivaji Maharaj used intelligence, preparation, and self-defense to overcome the danger. This event became a turning point and proved that bravery is not about size, but about strategy and inner strength. Shivaji Maharaj always respected women, farmers, and common citizens. He banned the harming of women during war and protected temples and religious places. He created fair tax systems so that poor farmers would not suffer. He encouraged trade by building a strong navy and protecting India's coastline from foreign powers. He was among the first Indian kings to understand the importance of sea power. In 1674, Shivaji Maharaj was crowned as the Chhatrapati at Raigad Fort. This coronation marked the birth of a sovereign Hindu kingdom. People from far and wide attended the ceremony, celebrating the rise of a leader who fought not for personal gain, but for the freedom and dignity of his land. Beyond his battles and victories, Shivaji Maharaj was a ruler with a human heart. He listened to his people, valued their opinions, and believed that a king should serve his subjects, not dominate them. His letters and policies show that he always aimed for justice, unity, and prosperity. The legacy of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj continues to inspire millions even today. His life teaches us the power of courage, discipline, and visionary leadership. He proved that with determination and right values, even a small group can rise against mighty forces and create history. Shivaji Maharaj's story is not just a chapter from the past. It is a message for the present and future. It reminds us to stay brave, stay honest, and stand for what is right, no matter how challenging the path may be.